Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about this pesky little thing, which is a cigarette lighter in my hand. If you guys have any issues getting power to this bad boy, I'm going to show you and I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to test and verify that you get this thing back working and back on the road so you can be charging your phones or lighting your cigarettes or doing whatever you want to do with them. So let's get into step one. So it's raining outside. So I can't really go under the hood to show you guys exactly what you need to check, but this is so goddamn simple. I'm pretty sure you smart guys out there and gals that need to fix this problem can get this done. So you sit in your car, you turn it on, you plug in your cigarette lighter, you try to charge your phone through it or light a cigarette, it doesn't work. The number one thing to check is the cigarette lighter fuse. It's most likely going to be on the inside of the vehicle in one of your fuse boxes. So you look up a diagram for your specific vehicle and you find your cigarette lighter fuse. Sometimes it can be under the hood as well. So you just check to make sure. There might be multiple fuses for your cigarette lighters because there might be multiple cigarette lighters in the vehicle. So verify that your cigarette lighter fuse is good. Once you have verified that your cigarette lighter fuse is good, and you're getting power to this, but it's not charging or it's not working, sometimes you have to pull out the piece that's in it and you're gonna see two prongs that are in here. You're gonna have to disconnect your battery so that you don't fry anything and try to pry those prongs. Sometimes those prongs get so wide that they're just a loose connection on whatever you put in it. So you gotta pry the prongs away from the casing. So if this is the casing and the prongs are all against the wall, you wanna pry them down small to where you can see them almost in the middle of it, so that when you push your charger or your cigarette lighter in here, it makes perfect contact and it works properly. So that's the next thing. Make sure the prongs in this is tight, like low down, like close together instead of at the wall. They end up, over time, they end up at the walls of these things because of frequent in and out. But that is a problem. That is how you fix that one. Now, this problem is one that I haven't covered on the channel, but sometimes the socket itself needs to change or the wiring needs to change. This is probably intermediate to advanced. So if you guys don't know what you're doing, it is time to take your vehicle to an actual mechanic shop. If you have a tester or if you have a voltmeter, this is the time to take it out. Put your key in forward or put the car in run. Don't start it. And unplug it. See those prongs in the back here? Unplug the wire harness from it and test the wire harness to see if you have power. If you don't have power there, you might have a break in the line somewhere that you need to find and fix. Or if you have power here and then there's no power here, you might need to change the cigarette lighter itself. That is essentially the entire workaround when it comes to these cigarette lighters. There's nothing else you need to know. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments. I will be the quickest one to help you guys out when it comes to this thing. But I promise you, if it's not the fuse, the wire harness, or the cigarette lighter itself, just throw the entire car away. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Always remember, don't drift without your dreams. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.